Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Offset RC. So this is a Charisma gt14. I've had it for a little while. The body shell was a bit wrecked when I got it. I spent a lot of time rebuilding it, and I've also rebuilt it now with a carbon chassis, and it is actually up and running, guys. But I've literally just dropped the controller, and the little bits what hold the batteries in is just broke, so now it pops out. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put my phone on the stand, unfortunately, guys, but I'll do my best to keep it in shot. And I've been wanting to give this a run for ages, guys, but when I got it, it had a few things wrong with it. Obviously the shell was all battered up and busted, or the chassis was all battered up and busted, the tires and wheels were battered up and busted. Over time I managed to find some parts and get it back up and going. Well, so far it seems up and going, but I just wanted to bring it out for a little run, guys. So yeah, guys, this is the first time it's really ran since I've had the thing. So yeah, guys, I fixed up all the body on this, fixed up all the chassis. As you can see, it is up and running. The batteries are not the best, it's just a nickel metal hydride, but I don't think it's got good life in it. But I'll give it a little runabout, as that's what I bought it out for. I do also have the skyline as well, guys, but the skyline still needs painting up. But the chassis does work, it just needs radio gear. It's exactly the same as this chassis. It's just not the full carbon. It's just not the full carbon chassis. Oh, busted this. Well, it did look good, guys. I like refixed all this splitter along the front. but now I've just snapped it off. Oh, that's a bit of a gutter, isn't it? And on that note, guys, I'm just going to leave it there. Please like and subscribe, leave any comments. I'll have to see if I can refix this again now. I don't know how I'm going to do that. But anyway, yeah, please like and subscribe, leave any comments, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.